promised, I'll be picking this one also. I said there might be a part 2. I ain't as fast as you lot is gutting locks. That was the first lock, this one that is, I had gutted for about 9 years. I haven't got any follower, which is a nightmare. I've got no repinning mat, but it did the job. So, right, bottom of the key with tension. I'll try and just get this picked quickly for you, seeing as I picked it the other night. Tighten the vise up. Right, back in. Slight plug rotation. I'd say the majority of these were serrated pins. Like I said the other day, I picked it last. Slight rotation again. The back. Well, that's fell into a false set this time. The last time I picked this off cam, it didn't. So I'm just going to go over and touch any of the pins that I think might need setting more. Four feels like a spill pin. Unless it's just the plug moving. It's quite slack, the plug in this. I definitely see it. There's a spool in there somewhere. Oh, cut it open. Try and quickly. That's it open. That's the key. There. Get it locked. Goes back. Screwdriver. I'll do this one a little bit faster than the last video. Move all the gubbins. We'll get this clip off. Find where it starts. That's it. Put it to one side, make sure I don't lose it. And the only thing I've got for a follower is this marker. So just put the keys in and turn at 10 degrees. Further actually. Let's see. Hopefully we didn't lose any pins. I did. I lost loads last time. just gonna have to lose the dryer pins. Put that down a second. Keep all them in where they're meant to be. Actually, you might not even need that. Put that there for a second. So, pin 1, key pin. Pin 2, key pin. 3, 4, 5. So the back pin, if I can find my tweezers, pin 5 was a spool. No, sorry, no spool, a serrated pin. Just trying to keep them in order. Not that it really matters, but 4 was a spool pin. 3 was a serrated pin. The springs aren't very strong in this lock. Let's just take that out. And then 2 other serrated pins at 1 and pin 1 and pin 2. See if I can get closer with that for you. Definitely need a repin and magnet follower. Some decent tweezers, but it's all I've got now. So today, close up is. So the stack looked, starting from the left, the key pin was serrated, key pin 2 serrated, key pin 3 standard, key pin 4 serrated, 5 serrated.